think I need some Robitussin. Way too many questions, you must think I trust you. You searching for answers, I do not know nothing. Woo!
Have a good day.
Okay.
Hi. For here to go. Okay, take out. Number 5 combo, medium fry with what to drink. Sprite. Not too spicy enough.
All right, hey guys. I just came from Wendy's from eating. I'm on my way home. These bags are heavy, man. I had the 4 for $4. Hopefully, I had the camera up the whole time. My arms hurt. Hopefully, I had the camera up the whole time. But this snow is treacherous, man. If you're out here, make sure you be careful, you know? I don't need to have any more accidents. I don't need to have any more concussions. And the sidewalks aren't shoveled. If you haven't shoveled your sidewalk, please shovel it. The roads are okay, but the sidewalks aren't shoveled. This is just a quick vlog for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I haven't vlogged in a long time. I made a video in about 4 days. I just wasn't able to do it. But today I'm gonna do this vlog, and I'm gonna do the Walmart haul, and I have a couple taste tests that I want to do. So that's an interesting video for you guys. I have the vlog, the Walmart haul, and I have 2 taste tests. So I have 4 videos planned. I don't know if they're all going to go up today or not, but the vlog will definitely go up. So let me try to get down this hill, and I'm going to end the vlog once I get closer to home because it's slippery. Hey guys, I'm almost home. I'm like a block away from my house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short vlog. I'm out of breath, I'm tired from carrying these bags. Still cold out here. The sun's coming out, so it's starting to warm up, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I had 3 more videos planned. Just gonna see if I'm able to do them, but thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. And I will see you guys next time. Also, the special clue words for the giveaway are 4 and 11. So make sure you comment down below. Peace.
Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller.